So let's do an unboxing of this Einhell battery powered lawnmower. This is a GECM 1833 Li. So I'm just going to show you in this video what's in the box, and we'll take you through everything so you can see exactly what you get when you purchase this mower. So hopefully that'll be helpful to some people. A lot of people like to see exactly what you're getting. So let's just knife this off here. I'll take the components out one at a time. You can see exactly what we've got. So pop this on the top. The box isn't too heavy, by the way, quite lightweight to lift about with these lawnmowers. So at the top of the box, you can see here we've got the top of the grass box, which comes actually built. There's no clipping anything together here, so that's a great start. This little grass box, it's actually a grass bag, which is nice and light as well. I always prefer the bags to the boxes as well, it just feels a little bit nicer. So we've got the grass bag there. What's next? We've got a couple of little boxes here. You've got your charger. We'll take a quick look at that. I'll take this out of the box here. This is your charger here, as you can see here, or your battery. Actually the battery, that, isn't it? Yeah, Power X charge it says. That's actually your battery there. That goes in a nice box as well, like that. So the next one is another box, which I presume this one is the charger. It actually says power charger on it. So you get the battery and the charger with it, just in case you're wondering. So you've got your charger here. This one, as I'm in the UK, has got a UK plug on as well. So the battery and charger are included in here. So the next part we're going to need to lift out here. These are all going to need assembly. We've got parts for the handles, like this. You can see that's one handle there. Yes, there's another one somewhere down the other side. Yeah, we've got the same again at the other side, so there's a bit of assembly required with this. The next thing is another part of the handle, but this part is actually attached to the base of the mower. So this is a little bit fiddly to get off. So the next time I'm just going to have to rip this off here, which is a bit annoying. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to simply lift the whole thing out. Hopefully you can see I can lift all this out just with one hand as well. That's how light this actual item is. There's a couple of leaflets left in the box, probably showing how to operate these and warranties and everything, which we'll have a quick look at in a minute. But you can see with one hand I can lift this onto the table. And I'm just going to take this off here so we can have a proper look at this. Take all the packaging off here. So really lightweight to lift about, easy to get out of the box, and comes with everything you need. So there we go. I'm not going to assemble it in this video, I'm just going to show you the unboxing. That's everything you get. Comes with this little tag attached on here as well. Let's take a look at the documentation that you get with this as well. So inside the box here we've got the guarantees. We've got a second book here, which looks like an operating book but in different languages, and again another one here as well, all with different languages in. I don't see a quick setup sheet here of how to put this together, but I'll take a closer look. But in the box you can see here there's all these little booklets. A lot of these seem to be in different languages. I don't see a quick start setup guide in the box, but I'm sure it should be fairly simple. This handle basically just plugs in and there's two other parts to go on. So I hope that covers everything that's in the box on this Einhell battery powered lawnmower.